Welcome back. In today's tutorial I'll be using baby lamp yarn. It's a Nigerian yarn. I'll be using double strands of the yarn. I'll be using 4 mm crochet hook. I'll be using scissors, tape measure and tapestry needles to weave in end. So let's get started. So I'll be starting this project, this ruffle art, with a magic ring. So this is my magic ring. Chain 2. So into this ring I'm going to be making 12 double crochet. Chain 2 for this pattern does not count as a stitch, so I'll be making 12 double crochet. So this is my 12 double crochet. I'll pull this end and slip stitch to join. I'll be slip stitching to the very first stitch you are seeing. So I'll close my round. So make chain 2 and work 2 double crochet starting from this very first stitch. I'm going to be working 2 double crochet in each of the stitches round. So next is to slip stitch and join the rounds. I'm very sure you are very familiar with making this cap. Like, apart from the ruffle part, you are familiar with this beginning part. So now is to increase our stitch. Make 1 double crochet into the very first stitch, make 2 double crochet next. So I'll be making 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet next till I get to the very last stitch. I'll meet you at that point. So slip stitch into the very first stitch and chain 2. So this is what you should have at this point. Look at how beautiful and neat our stitches. So next is to make another round of increase. 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 double crochet in the next stitch. So this is how I continue. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet next. So we're going to make another increase, another set of increase on this 1 2 3 4 on the 5th row. So 1 double crochet the next 3 stitches and 2 double crochet on the next stitch. So 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet on the next. So after slip stitching, make your chain 2 and make your last set of increase. So 1 double crochet, 2 3 and 4. Make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. So make double crochet the next 4 stitch and 2 double crochet next. So at this point, this is what I have, and it measures up to 6.5, there about 6 to 6.5, which is perfect for an adult crown measurement. So next, let's move on. Chain 3 and work 1 double crochet into this very next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch and work 1 double crochet into the very next stitch. Skip 1, work 1 double crochet, chain 1 into the very next stitch. As you can see, it's giving us the mesh stitch. design. Hope you can see. So this time we continue skipping one stitch, working one double crochet, chain one to each of the stitches round. So I'll come back and meet you at this point. So one double crochet in this stitch, chain one, and slip stitch into chain two of the previous row. Now we're going to be making chain three and work one double crochet into the previous double crochet, chain one double crochet into the previous double crochet. So this is how I'll continue. When I get to this stitch, I'll slip stitch into this chain two, into the chain two stitch. Hope you understand. I will leave one stitch in the middle there, which represents a chain. Hope you understand. So I'll continue working for about few rows, and I'll come back and show you how many rows I made and what measurement it is. So I made additional 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows of mesh. So now we are going to make chain one and single crochet in every of the stitches around, both in the double crochet and in the chain one space. So I'll single crochet till I get the very last stitch. So slip stitch into the beginning stitch. So this is what you should have right now. Now we're going to be making chain two. So into the first stitch I'll be making 4 double crochet. So I'm going to start the ruffle part, 3 and 4. So I'll be making 4 double crochet in each of the stitches round. So I'm making 4 double crochet. This will definitely take a while to finish because it's a ruffle art. So I'll continue making 4 double crochet. So I'm done with this row. Next is to slip stitch to the very first stitch. Make your chain 2. So on this row I'm going to be making 3 double crochet in every stitches. In the first stitch, in the next stitch till I get to the last stitch. Make sure you crochet into each of the stitches round without missing even the very last stitch. So this is my last stitch, and I'll slip stitch into this first stitch. Now chain 2. Next is to make 2 double crochet in each of the stitches round. Two double crochet in each of the stitches round. So I'll meet you at the very last point. So this is what we're having at this point. Look at how ruffled our art is. Look at how beautiful it is. So I just finished my 4th ball of yarn. So I've used 4 ball of yarn, and this is what I have left. So I'll be adding my 5th ball. So let's say I used 4.5. Definitely will be buying 5 balls for this cap, as you can see. So I'll be joining the 5th ball on this strand to complete it. Thanks for watching to the end, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So next thing is to weave in all my ends with my tapestry needle. That's how beautiful my ruffle art is. So I will see you in my next video, because I'll be making a matching mesh frog with it, with a matching color. So I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye.